Hi guys, and welcome back to the Friesen Kitchen. I'm Annika, and today I'm gonna be making a Russian one-pot wonder, and many of you know it, it's plov. This recipe is so simple. You only need a few ingredients, which are very cheap by the way. My kids love this dish. It will last you a couple days in the fridge, depending on the size of your family. So without further ado, let's look at the ingredients.
You're going to need 2 pounds of baby back ribs, 3 big onions, 3 garlic cloves, 9 carrots, 1.5 tablespoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 bay leaves, 2 cups of rinsed risotto rice, and 4 cups of water. So first off, you want to clean and chop your carrots, onions, and garlic. So now place a large pot over medium-high heat and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Now add the meat to the oil and cook for 7 to 10 minutes or until the meat has a deep golden brown color. In between, I like to cover with the lid so it doesn't splash around. The ribs seared on the one side very beautifully, so now I'm going to turn them around and sear them on the other side. Now add the salt and the pepper and keep searing it for another 7 to 10 minutes. When the ribs have their golden brown color on both sides, add the onions and the garlic. And then you can also add the carrots, stir it all up, and then sear it for another 5 minutes. So now you're going to add the water and the bay leaves, and then you cover it with a lid and let it simmer for 1 hour. After we waited for an hour, the meat should be tender as tender can be. And now we can add the rice. Make sure you just mix it all well together, then close the lid again, put it back on the simmer, and cook it for 20 to 30 minutes until the rice has absorbed all the liquid. Our plov is all done, and now we are ready to serve.
And there you have it. It's so simple. It comes together within minutes. It feeds your whole family. You can also freeze it. And guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!